na adwansa nsemi ya eno ama empanimfo epa committee nenne committee no ede na setena abawiye no ena obekaya onunyanfo Kennedy Akompreko Japan yemrase bedwani ewo Asen Central wade ebetu dwa se de ekoso ewo adwa no onde osusu se ensentrofo di mu akotene pa na ebra asem ni siye no ensem a Joy FM for your multimedia for di kan edeba mountain eso no osusu se wase ye twe wo motras ne ye kasa kire wo etanse wo mo na ye takra wo gym ema drama bunu hunu se jama brante na wati na nanom onse do ye friend se Ibrahim Mohammed kaka no wo ye fix the country ni ena ebi aban mu mpanyimfo bi nam se wo ka ne ma enkosu yie ewo man muti yasoma ama ya kotu ogunu se mobro esina bo se Steven wo ba buru mu oti na nanom ewo onse do entite pinte bi bai nesa basabasa ebi bai ewo adwira yemfa sobo no emmo Joy FM ni multimedia and central phone saa ne nsem yodi etu dwan no emma okokekan ya ma ekoduru se central ni ya efre no Erastus asare ya and central phone multimedia for tro no esoma no ma ne call adwira no wono ne reporter okofa ebae no wamfa enokorefan antu dwane so no Kennedy Japan nke yema mpanyini a enko besuma me yakwa akofa no ama mema four strong boys a leno we kuta ne nsa benkum na we kuta nifa we kuta ne na benkum na we kuta nifa na nke ya hwenwa ma no aye ne ya yewie ya butu no na yaka kire ne se akoda so denfo ya wontimi nyensentu adwuma yekọ na okwa enkonko yesa abiem sanse moditu dwa no ena multimedia adwuma kru na tintim krata ede akwakoma radio stations outdoor se papa no emre bidrui emeno sentroni bi otu na ni tedisi ne ho saa ametswali se nkrofo chi na ommo no eni gyina bi ene ete se nkrofo akwakobo ni tuo ye besi na krado obo abrante ni tuo no Ghana fo ehuni enti wo musuro Canada Japan je mfite enti police fo nhyase na yemo saa sentroni no eho ban sansemi ene ma nam se Alhassan Suhini wonso eye sentroni dada na afene wakwakwa emrase bedwadi nti wokopaja no emrase bedwa fie se ebeya enka yento nsamfemfre ononyamfo Kennedy Akompreko Japan yi na nka onko privileges committee anim no onko yi nsensem bia no sanso hu se saa ne nsem okan ni no kwanse emrase bedwani etrabonte ekeka sansem bi se yesa na ogu emrase bedwafo animu ase na yenkonko tie ukuada na ye July kitansa bosum de toso edunan no Alhassan Suhini ewo mrasebe de fie se de osi ma so ma mpanyimfo se manimu no ano yento nsa femfro wura Kennedy Akompreko Japan na omeyi ensensen bia no.
Order 78A, the Speaker, Order 78A reads, unless any order otherwise provides, notice shall be given of any motion which is proposed to make except the following: a motion relating to contempt of Parliament. Mr. Speaker, I rise on this motion to pray you to exercise your powers under Order 27, which also, Mr. Speaker, with your permission, reads, notwithstanding anything contained in these orders, Mr. Speaker may refer any questions of privilege to the Committee of Privileges for Examination, Investigation, and Report. Mr. Speaker, I therefore call on you to exercise your powers under 27 to refer Honorable Kennedy Ohini Ajekum, whose acts and conduct, Mr. Speaker, continue to affront the dignity of Parliament and bring it into disrepute, as captured under Order 32. Mr. Speaker, and with your permission, I refer to 32, which says that the following acts or conduct shall constitute a breach of privilege or contempt of Parliament. 2. Any act or omission which affronts the dignity of Parliament or which tends either directly or indirectly to bring the name of Parliament into disrepute. Mr. Speaker, my basis is on the conduct of the said member on his own television network, which has caused another network, Joy FM, to refer him to the CID.
Wei eye ukuada no July kitansa bosome de toso edunan ena mrasebedwani ya owotamali North Honorable Alhaji Alhassan Suhini nam so yes entroni nti osori dina yese ora Kennedy Japan e de anim guase ya camera che bedwanu sanse so okogina baabi na se okoka se sentroni irasu sasare donko nam se okoye ekoye report ewo adwira na osusu se ne nsam ne kofa ye ne ba ye nti ye ncheno ne yamunum tubutu no waka bi pen ama enipa na aka se ye ncheno mu no andi gina bi ya boni tuo ama oti na nanom won sia do ama sese wo nipa no kora obo tuo no besi na polisi hwe no aye hu no na chese anoma ye de ne ntakra eyi musuo no wotu a wo se ye ahweyi efa ho na no ya ye bosom ya se ye gige so a wa hwe nsentrofo ntimi yo modwuma okuru no ampani ampa sabre ni speaker ade atum se yemfa wura Kennedy Japan enko privileges committee anim na enko bi tebisa no ensembi na no ana ono ankasa ni radio station Oman FM4 eto nsafre no ne ebisa no se de yese yemfa nko privileges committee no nyamfo Kennedy Akompre kon Japan we are no saying and was a wine or so Alhassan Swin no se Alhassan Swin no sabia so sabia nya adom fanchame nyansa bia ni trim na samro de tu dwa omra se be de fie ho no nyansa bia enso enimu a wo se ye de aye adwuma na masem a mekae no me da so gina so obia entimi nya mehwe ne enya mehwe o tena so yentie ononyamfo Kennedy Akompre kon Japan.
They incited the youth of Ejura through NDC. FME come here more. NDC for Echo share as here because of the false reportage by Joy FM. Say DC or MC Ejura bodyguard and Akokum Taka. No start here. Embra as here doing Katiane for Fusuan Pofu. Communist on board the meeting political. Said they left the meeting because the news said you come NDC4. Is that what is happening right now, Ghana for? And Ukraine pa no Sane Siyama Joy from Ediamopo. They want to destroy this country. Now Omani who say Omum Echo report. That stupid boy was so a MP, useless MP. Who quiet statement? Who quiet statement have been called privilege? FME did not tell more. So why a foolish MP? Sweeney. So stupid. Or more brother. And Kiakanu Ghana. That is Sweeney for you. That is Sweeney for you. Onipa Yadia Bonnie. Eti Nipa Emrantia. Ekogu Etirekrum. Because of Joy FM. And True Amuti Yeti. Who are left to go and complain. Ghana Panu Krasa. And nobody has been able to condemn Joy FM Act. Saying a timely intervention by this military and your police force. Some here or Hinano. No representative as some Okaya. Saying a police for me a soldier for no. Like a worse things would have happened.
Awusianfo wei eye mrachebedwani ya owo Asin Central ononyamfo Kennedy Akompre kon Japan eno ne Tamale North mrachebedwani Alhassan Suhini womo ato ayirim no esanse owura Suhini akomra chebedwa fie sa asem Kennedy Japan kan no wankasa yi yemfre no privileges committee amamra chebedwana je atum sampa yemfa no privileges committee mrachebedwani kuo ya so obi ya de mne so mugidi se begu mrachebedwana nim ase ye do ko na yehu sampa wade na oyeye no egu mrachebedwa fie nim ase a na ya twe so eno ho eno owura Kennedy Japan say boy no a was mrachebedwani no ye boy na afi we so yusu ye mintimi mfama no nka se oyobi a sebe nyansa bi ani tirimu enti code na privileges committee animo no enko nkosi hwe ogidi so obefa no ho distance no enokre eno kan ye edetire Ghana fo